qualifies ni be a feni e be kwa wura mu no
o metima ba
o metia from
also see we ya try we mo ma so mama
what do how many Ghanaian players I try afeni yes I be come no yes I
no for chess I be yen na mo ba o
yes I there be an be obi ba
ko Central African Republic
and also na me say couple there be a be obi ba sana tournament na ye there be a be obi ba
life is not fair
don't let us go there also time you sir
no ka fairness but life is not fair said the whole can
there be a be like Kingston Afcon no why you work abone na asa Afcon bone no die like Kingston I am fan ko 2006 ni bi no e he fan o ye bone no Mibusa yen chama tiefo ye onya well yen chama tiefo ente ase like Kingston and die tin afana ko world cup no bi
so coach ni trezo you issue kakra out
Afcon hu no onya asem no no onya hwe wo world cup no
but world cup on count
na Ghana fo adwene o mo say yen timi free group stage num e je ni hema ne nsan ya anya na bro we fair
no
There watching, please. You're respecting the power.
Oh, say
I have other points. I have other points. So the person me lay out.
Ochna. Was only foundation the channel about to we not to.
No, one the best friend Michael Lessian. And you just want to draw Ghana for their man no. Your phrase here no church and one today.
Yeah, do baby na.
E to be any Joseph Kran Yasman San agency come na. Na your best friend no. O to esi for that.
Well, Derek.
Commitment na utwa me so.
Was all that say.
Commitment asule wo maye no. Bi na esi wo majesty no. No, couple. Commitment asuli din na nhemu no. Commitment ni man Tony Ana Rabi mu no. Essien, he was better than those players. Commitment nko na me dey kasa no. Derek watching the best friend Essien. No to be kebi no.
Antunufo.
Derek, you have a World Cup. We need our best players.
So boy see Tikrana.
We need our best players. We need our best players. And yet to say obi boy obi amo. It has always been the case. Obi more qualified obi about major tournament and Ghana pe other countries in the outside betie opa check qualify so who say drop be more
na be drop
please there watching may one player for Ghana may respect the pride there watching
Mati
no cause baby be nsem no beba do kind na be say childish but yes onya kra
okay Derek what teams they on say me akova asamabo Newton
and was way wo mama set transfers no come on emfa emamo na mama fa ha story enchim sensia no house and Aduana Stars and so the betimi area pem so ewo Ghana Premier League ni mu and say any can catch am say a big game and about between house and Aduana Stars cause me kai the last time house echo doma echo far win so maybe this will be the biggest opportunity for house say o betimi din kunim and na me no ka say Guni so one say has form pay for asanso timi a support club has e bas kasemu a amo the special bonus be area to the players no ahead of Aduana Stars game no and oko doman so a don't forget say na me no ka say doman so aye because there is a lot of sika say me no ka say enkofo be pumping in Aduana Stars club ni mu. It also promised the answer at the hole. Latest by Saturday anopa. Demisa can say Timun Eber Eldoma. She Omokobo Omoja Elho. Na Sesian, why Anna started Edema Bokua? Jeffen say house of folk. Don't forget that Benjamin Asari answer to my retention and made 2 Jano. And goalkeeper Yefen says Sodoma Agbosi answer Elho. I prefer a branch of Fennis Sodoma Agbasi and to go post on Fama Boku and Fennis house against Adiana. Because Benjamin Asari Epilay and Emmanuel Annor Sodoma Agbasi, almost an against Garage United, performance and Sharon Fasa. But I say, who say, Sikana and Fama pressing into the best and about motivation and about them. But Betma confirm them say. Benjamin Asari etime returning deme peke ayalo pe ene se otese Benjamin Asari started ahead of Solomon Agbasi Emmanuel Annor. Yes, they kuta me anope no akwenu tunaja wo no pe training na Benjamin Asari ababe no o me hia boy o go post nim. Yes, o be hia boy o go post nim entama de anope mensa kan so as ha support na wutie mi a na wote se eye boboku a je fe ne se eye asante ko eye has omo game against Aduana no Benjamin Asare said bibia ensi a ono e de better go post mu e de ama Asante Kotoko a yare ho se me de e de ema mutew se Solomon de no oye na afamu de de evet senior man chairman senior man and a fact what I say a fact but you better say the name of it and soon ebesi akọ what enu Asante Kotoko ebo friendly game na after the game no supporters no be adding say be tuja na boy na first Koulibaly no opani anope de me peke so obekọ de matene so obekọ de ni para ka kire me ano ho me so me feche anope ekodi nkomo de me peke se Koulibaly no ne performance no empenfo pese omo be judge anu agame no ko accept boy ni say o good what I say empenfo pese omo ba say say game no be some technical team members ni bi no omo yes what I say omo nyo okay sa I say bi no mu ni say da bi akwa no say o giant there na say de omo person mu as a striker no enya no mu to say me catch the boy na beko pe de kuta me anope no me nka say omo sign no ben koma ato fam anope ma chance bia me dey me dey to fam e dey amamu no no say supporters ni mi kan e man 5 years contract ana boy na e ya de eni kwase e rush when anya say mistake no eni kwase e rush yes e rush say see ya I de nse pere enso betima ba so I prefer say yema boy no man like me I say Kotoko empe more games entimi more why dan say be on training kwa age ho no o mpe more games be entimi emo but I think I can betima bo ma boy no betima dey etima assess ni ye aja say be mo ka 5 years no mo de but the technical team na benchi decision as some technical team members no be no I hold them down and dey ye di amamuto enso eno no Alex Boachi boy na nsem no sesi no aye bibia o ya Asante Kotoko support obepese Alex Boachi e break obebese agana makotoko team no na ena no pay enkomo medino Asante Kotoko team no pull out oh boy they do no mo transfer update na me de ema no ena me no kasai nipa Asante Kotoko esuma eba no test waters in ehwe no again form pay for communicate sesia no boy no so mo jabo no amana kodi again first omonya ne enya ne china Alex Boachi latest update ana me de ema no Asante Kotoko from paying for 8 years. Nasa boy omo kwa betima faso omo sa betima kan ho enfaso. But asat now e dey na start team no. Enye ready say boy e fence Alex Boachi o meje no mu ne eje no mu tin ama boy na eno de kuta me. Ene koma me di anopay ana me di ema mu tew. Cause boy no the contract no latest by February. Na Jonathan transfer video no mu no. Ti boy contract e bo ne o Jonathan transfer video no na close. What is a pre contract being paid for signing? Emmanuel Annor. Boy, ni dream say one day. Asante Kotoko team no club red no obeshe edema Asante Kotoko. Eno e de kitamia me de ema anopreto. Team pay for me. Na e kon be so omo betima faso a obetima boy no omo sabe kan de omo ankasa nya de intimi faso. Na emo amanye me de enso intimi nkoso. Enra Asante Kotoko IMC any Dr. Kwame che meeting na abante fene se Emmanuel Annor de no akofa nsem piaba ena me no ka say Prince Badu Asante Kotoko from pain for Eco Nations wono Dr. Kwame che de we wole so be ja boy na de amanako just that coach fene se Frimpong Manso ana say what you do no amamoy de enso timai den because then Prince Badu open best player so far our club ni ma president do but Dr. Kwame Chede why well in some boy obeja mana kona for no kasa akofa player coach ni pe edenaba but coach ni onya well in say kebeja boy na de amana ko enchama se onu kasa me ne de no ekonko ho enye confirm Razak Simpson move to Asante Kotoko na metima confirm the amount say ekoba se ne ya se ka Kotoko for e boy ne ba ko meja boy na manaba ekoba se Kotoko tim no say ne ya se ya kotwe Razak referee nations ya ko metima ko kotwe ne naba ne de de edan Razak Simpson to Asante Kotoko done me say e done nemu Emmanuel Annor latest updates and ekuta na me de emo and say enra meeting na course no Dr. Kwame China na penkra ene yewra akoto winning pay for me so no muti meeting ase and command bemu Dr. Kwame China coach Frimpong once was part of the meeting confidence metima confirm and not pay on this channel Adam will say Emmanuel Annor otisa oni Asante Kotoko move eduma ma confirm the amount coach Frimpong manso enye na adwe se wo ja branch mu na eja ne chen ama boy na ko miso tiemie coach Frimpong manso enye willing se wo ja branch e finish Emmanuel Annor mu ama na ko ne akochena because ogidie pass one more peke praise bedu ono coach na enye akokọ be de 2 Razak Simpson ono de no krasa boy na kasa do moja oboda to nim say on betimi like obetimi club here de enso timi di nkomo but most friends Emmanuel Annor na say mututu tim nim enra coach Frimpong man so can pay and the pay for in fact na ade ba kwa na ano hyepa meeting na nyankura meeting na nyankura meeting me kan ko na kire na nyankura meeting for Emmanuel Annor cause yakoko be de obefa ne say akoko be de mo befa ne say chopani ote se nations Emmanuel Annor mu to Kotoko no abafo ma confirm emu details na me de amamo no coach Frimpong man so enye happy coach Frimpong man so enye happy to allow a branch of fans say Emmanuel Annor to leave Nations FC enra meeting na course nkoma inside the etima kabinu yaboni to ed amam anope live se obe network oba don't forget so obey obe subscribe na fi onso watimi ahye forget na abantia je fe ne se Tdogli patonyo do misro Tdogli ma menka ne sa yes Tdogli na Tdogli nkomo no personal times done deal with Asante Kotoko personal times done deal with Asante Kotoko nemu akasika Asante Kotoko ade be kwa Heart of Lions ana masisi ameno kase deal no bibi ho because a bona empay for chade to Tdogli so no in fact enya buaketwa but personal times with a branch and any Asante Kotoko no behind the scene may confirm them as a done deal. See where it's one where ba the details on the baby. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, on so what